Slot. In SolidWorks, next topic we are going to discuss about slot. Slot is used in many machine components for aligning the other components which is engaged in mechanisms. We have four types of slots. First, straight slot defining two endpoints of the arc. Defining 2 points for the slot creation. And third, we will create the slot by defining the radius of the arc. And next slot is center point straight slot. Next slot will be created using center point and the two defining points. 3-point arc slot and center point arc slot will look like similar, but only the point how we input differs. Now let's see this in software. Now I would like to create a straight slot in this area. Let's see how can we create this. To retrieve slot command, I will go for straight slot. Here I have center point straight slot. To engage exactly in center, I will use center straight slot. Select the first point and second point how much you want to extend, and if required you can choose here add dimensions. And now if I choose here and here if I select the point, you can see with dimension the slot will be created. The same like I can go and show one more slot required for chain mechanism. I can just create this by defining two endpoints, and once again dimension will be imposed on that. And next let's see how to create the two arc slot and center point arc slot. Now starts with 3-point arc slot. You can see the icon, it shows exactly which is first, second and third. I would like to start with the first point from here and second point here, and third point defines the arc radius. And when I drag this mouse, you can see here the arc slot is created. And the same like we can create by different input method also, that is by center point arc slot. Select the first point, second point and third point. I have to rotate in this way, third point, and I'll define this, and now the arc is created. Here you can see we are defining the width for this and radius and also angle. Using this, once again we can control the slot. This is how SolidWorks is reducing the time spent on creating complicated sketch by avoiding multiple operations like trim, extend and creating one single slot like this.